Welcome to 4273 Furnace Road in Ontario. This home on almost an acre lot is up for sale for just $129,000. Let me show you the spectacular grounds that this property has. I'm just panning to the right to show you the mature trees that screen it from the neighbor. As I'm walking past the house, the lawn slopes down to an incredible area. There's a deck on the back of the house. It slopes down to an incredible backyard area that is private, secluded. It offers all kinds of opportunities for enjoyment. You can see it's quite thick down here with trees. I'm coming up on a horseshoe pit. So you're all set to play horseshoes. Looks like somebody got a ringer. Then in the back there's some wood piled up and everything is all set up for a nice little fire pit. I can hear a brook babbling. So let me just walk over to the edge of the property and show you what an awesome. This is called Bear Creek, and it's just a beautiful little creek. You can kind of hear it as it goes over a little falls area there. And this is at the back of the property. We're going to go back up through the property and show you a few of the first floor features. So hold on and we'll be right there. Okay, I'm back to the front door. Let me take you in and let's take a peek at what we got here. You walk into a nice size living room with parquet floor, which opens right into a very large dining room, which you can see has a sliding door that out to the deck and then the view of the back of the property. And then right off the dining room, conveniently located, is the kitchen. It comes complete with a gas stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and then here is an eating area, which also goes into sort of a front study type room. And then right to my left is a powder room, and we're back to the front door area. And there are the stairs going up to the second floor. We've got 3 bedrooms and a bath on the second floor, and would love to show you this house. Once again, it's 7243 Furnace Road in Ontario for $129,000.